Welcome to TVBoss Fire, the next big thing for online marketers. One student has used our system to make over $326,829 in sales in less than 2 months. Others are using it to earn upfront and ongoing monthly payments, $500 or more, from clients that literally find them. While many more are tapping this to skyrocket sales of their own products and services without paid ads. Here's the kicker. These results are from a previous software we released that only leveraged one platform. Now, we've built the software from the ground up to tap into 2 traffic-driving platforms for double the results. Everyone agrees that traffic is the most important part of online business. Until now, you had to fight with everyone else for a share of that traffic. TVBoss Fire is radically different because it puts you in front of brand new traffic. Literally millions of users that until recently weren't online. Where are all these visitors coming from? Cable TV. Right now, audiences that weren't online before are spending all their time online. Millions of people are cutting the cord and shifting towards streaming TV. And billions of dollars of advertising money is moving with them. This is a ground floor chance to cash in on both a massive new traffic source and a boatload of passive advertising profits. Roku and Amazon Fire are the industry leaders in on-demand TV, combining for over 57 million active monthly users in the US alone that tune in, on average, for over 50 hours every month. This completely untapped audience is yours for the taking, thanks to TVBoss Fire. Within minutes, you can have your very own channels on both Roku and Amazon Fire beaming into millions of homes of engaged viewers. We'll show you how to monetize your new audiences straight out of the gate, with passive ad revenues where you can earn just by flipping a switch, extremely high-paying private deals from companies begging for more exposure, massive upfront and ongoing payments by setting up channels for others, commercial rights included. Plus, how to use your channels to build highly profitable lists, how to create instant authority to dominate new and untapped niches, even how to create premium channels paying you monthly subscriber revenue. All this without creating a single video. That's right. Online TV is exploding so fast, audiences are starved for new content. They just can't get enough. Meaning you can, legally and ethically, use other people's videos to build your channels, traffic, and profits. We'll show you how. Those 228,906 subscribers and $24,507 we made? All without creating a single video. The ongoing $500 per month payments just one of our students is earning? His client provides all the content. This is not some loophole or hack that might work today and stop working tomorrow. This is a very real way to quickly develop multiple income streams. Create a legitimate online business you can be proud of, simply by tapping into the biggest shift of online traffic in history. Traffic from Roku and Amazon Fire is growing at explosive rates. Less than 0.5% of online marketers even know this traffic exists. This is your time to get in on the ground floor and ride the profit elevator all the way to the penthouse. Check out the full details below. Pay careful attention to the demo so you can see exactly how this works. The multiple proofs of results, and most importantly, the testimonials and feedback from real users of this system results in as little as 24 hours, and from there, the sky is the limit. You won't need a subscriber list to pay for ads or any previous experience. Heck, we've got 70-year-olds using this and loving the results. For an extremely limited time, we're offering TVBoss Fire at a massive discount. Once this launch closes, price for access will more than triple. That's not false scarcity. It's to reward early action takers and ensure these users get the best possible results. Included with early bird access are powerful bonuses we've developed specifically for TVBoss Fire. Access to our Movers and Shakers group, a hyper-engaged community of users and experts where you can network, get answers to questions in real time, and see what's working right now. TVBoss Fire Bootcamp, an over-the-shoulder webinar where we show you exactly how to leverage the software and method for the highest possible profits. Your very own About Your TV channel page to generate even more traffic to your channels. Undoubtedly, you've heard big claims before. We've made some big claims on this page, but can back every one of them with legitimate proof and testimonials. To make this an easy decision, we're giving you 30 full days to try out TVBoss Fire on our dime. If during that time, for any reason you're not thrilled, let us know and get your money back. Doesn't get more fair than that. Next, big things don't come around often, hardly ever in online marketing. This is one of those times. Your very own custom traffic. Engaged and tuned in audiences that are growing at explosive rates. Multiple income streams, including passive, just by flipping a switch. Effortless list building. More sales of your own products. Clients with money to spend that find you. And all the training and support to make it happen. Review the details below. Click the button to secure your access and all bonuses when you act now. And we'll look forward to seeing you on the inside.